Hi there, it's Dr. Rob again, and I hope that you have enjoyed the first week of Introduction to Sociology. And we're going to dwell deeper into socialization and social interaction in this next week. This is a study about us, right? All of us. So you can't help but enjoy this topic and start seeing yourself in some of the content that we're exploring. Um, in week two, we're going to have two more chapters of reading. You're going to be reading chapter 4 and chapter 5 in your textbook. And you'll also be doing a devotional that's based on Dr. Wells' Ramblings book. So it's just a fantastic piece of work. The discussion where it's going to kind of spring out of our readings this week is going to be on the process of socialization. So what are the social agents that have impacted your life, and how has that occurred? And then we go into an assignment. We have the same kind of thing. We have a devotional, discussion board, an assignment, and a quiz. The assignment this week is going to be about social structure and social groups, and how how you kind of see that and process that topic. So it'll be very interesting to see what comes out of that. And then you have a quiz, which will be an open book quiz. It's not very hard. All the answers are in there. Just remain calm. Let the peace of Christ be with you as you take that quiz, and I pray everything will go fine for you. All right, be well.